Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Foreign Languages, SOFL. Certificate in Arabic Language, CAL. BAL 001 Basics of Arabic. Block 1 Reading and Writing I. Unit 2 Personal Introduction. 2.0 Objectives. This unit seeks to familiarize you with some Arabic personal pronouns which are frequently used in day-to-day activities. The unit contains many exercises and pictures to make your learning process easy and simple. 2.1 Introduction. In the first unit you have learned some very common and frequently used Arabic words. You have also practiced their use in ordinary life. Now we are trying to give you some more common Arabic words. Here in this unit we will focus on personal pronouns in addition to 5 new common Arabic words. Yet before going ahead, we would like you to have a quick revision of the words you have learnt in the previous unit. 2.2 Revision. Read the following Arabic words loudly. Yes, Naam Worker Amil. Nola driver Saik house bait watchman Harris office Maktab engineer Mahandis. Company Sharika. Doctor Tabib. Shawl Madarsa. Nurse Mamarida. Hospital Mustache FA. Accountant Muhasib. Airport Matar policeman Shurti. Manager Mudur. Ka Sayyara. Staff Muwadhaf. Aeroplane Ta'ira. 2.3 New words. I. For both masculine. Arabic English Anna U. Fern. Hindi tourist. Anta I Sai Indian. Anti U. MSc. Tajir woman. Hua she Ayana man. Haya he Rajul businessman. 2.5 Exercise 2. This exercise is designed to make you familiar with simple and important sentences of daily uses. So far, you have learned only 30 words of Arabic. See how many sentences you can form out of them. The more you practice, the more you will get the benefit. Read the following simple sentences carefully. Practice of I am. Ana Mahandis, I am an engineer. Ana Tabib, I am a doctor. Ana Mudir, I am a manager. Ana Mool Lasib, I am an accountant. FL. Ana Rajul, I am a man. Ana Sai El, I am a tourist. Ana Tajir, I am a businessman. Ana Hindi, I am an Indian. Ana Muwadhaf, I am a staff. Ana Amil, I am a worker. Ana Saik, I am a driver. Ana Harris, I am a watchman. Ana Mumarida, I am a nurse. Ana Shurti, I am a policeman. Ana Ayana, I am a woman. I would like to assure you that if you practice well you can form many sentences based on the structure of I am a. 2.6 Exercise 3. Read the following simple sentences carefully. Practice of you are masculine only. Anta Mahandis, you are an engineer. Anta Tabib, you are a doctor. Anta Mudir, you are a manager. Anta Malfasib, you are an accountant. Anta Rajul, you are a man. Anta Sai, you are a tourist. Anta Tajir, you are a businessman. Anta Hindi, you are an Indian. Anta Muwadhaf, you are a staff. Anta Amil, you are a worker. Anta Saik, tilde, you are a driver. Anta Harris, you are a watchman. Anta Mumarid, you are nurse male. Anta Shurti, you are a policeman. In the above exercise you have learned 14 sentences based on the structure of you are. 2.7 Exercise 4. Read the following simple sentences carefully. Practice of he is. A. Hua Mahandis, he is an engineer. Hua Tabib, he is a doctor. Hua Mudir, he is a manager. Hua Mool Lisib, he is an accountant. Hua Rajul, he is a man. Hua Sai, he is a tourist. Hua Tajir, he is a businessman. Hua Hindi, he is an Indian. Hua Muwadhaf, he is a staff. Hua Amil, he is a worker. Hua Saik, he is a driver. Hua Harris, he is a watchman. Hua Mumarid, he is a nurse, male. Hua Shurti, he is a policeman. In the above exercise you have learned 14 sentences based on the structure of he is a. Note: so far you had been practicing the use of masculine gender. Now, you are going to learn the use of feminine gender in personal pronouns. In Arabic, every noun is either masculine or feminine. You can easily form feminine noun by adding round ta, 0, at the end of masculine noun, and in spoken Arabic it produces the sound of a at the end. For example, Mahandis means a male engineer, and if you add round ta, 0, at the end, it would become Mahandisa, which would mean a female engineer, and so on. So add the round la, 0. At the end of every noun you have learned so far and practiced the use of feminine gender. 2.8 Exercise 5. Read the following simple sentences carefully. Practice of you are feminine only. Auntie Mahandisa. Auntie Tableba. You are an engineer. For female. You are a doctor. For female. Auntie Mudira, you are a manager. Auntie Mulyashiba, you are an accountant. Auntie Imra, you are a woman. Auntie Salia, you are a tourist. Auntie Tajera, you are a businesswoman. Auntie Hindia, you are an Indian. Auntie Muwadhafa, you are a staff. Auntie Amila, you are a worker. Auntie Sika, you are a driver. Auntie Harissa, you are a watchman. Auntie Mumarida, you are a nurse. Auntie Shurtiya, you are a policewoman. 2.9 Exercise 6. Read the following simple sentences carefully. Practice of she is a. Haya Mahandisa, she is an engineer. Haya Tabiba, she is a doctor. Haya Mudira, she is a manager. Haya Mulfashiba. Haya Imra, she is an accountant. She is a woman. Haya Saila, she is a tourist. Haya Hindia, she is an Indian. Haya Muwaz Zafar. Haya Amila, she is a staff. She is a worker. Haya Saika, she is a driver. Haya Harissa. Haya Mumarida. Haya Shurtiya, she is a watchman. She is a nurse. She is a policewoman. 2.10 Exercise 7. This exercise is designed to make you pronounce the Arabic words loudly and test your level of memorizing the meanings of the Arabic words. 2.12 Writing skill. The following tables and exercises are designed to help you improve your Arabic writing skills. Note: learning of the alphabet involves pronunciation adst, therefore, it is recommended to keep in touch with your counselor, teacher. 2.14 Table 2. Only 7 letters out of 29 are given in the following table. The table shows the different forms, shapes of the letters as per their positions. Isolated, initial, medial, and final. Though the book is opening from left to right, we in the following unit are deliberately trying to inculcate the habit of reading and writing from right to left. Note: learners are required to carefully note different shapes of the letters as per their positions and practice the reading as well as writing. Thank you.